Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do this nice patch directional antenna. With this antenna I have flown beyond 10 kilometers without losing the signal, so it is a really good antenna. And this one I have done it to a friend of mine. I'll show you how to do it by yourself. So this is my brand X-ray antenna. Antenna is spelling with one N because it is Portuguese. It is in Portuguese, okay? So let's go on. And if you want to buy antenna, you can contact me. I do antenna for different purposes, and also I can tune it at a specific frequency. So let's go. What you will need basically are two plates, galvanized steel plates, one smaller for the driven element and the bigger one for the ground plate. And you will need also two nuts, bolt and washer. You will need a pair of this, a twin, just a nut, a washer and a bolt. Okay, this will serve to fix the cable on the elements, the different elements. So you will cut it, you will trim it down to 1 centimeter for the ground plate and to 0.5 centimeter for the driven element. Yeah, okay. So that's it. And a cable, of course, coax cable. RG should be RG58, RG58, okay, for this specific project. If you use a thinner cable, maybe you will have your antenna out of tune, so it is important to keep with a RG58 coax cable. And what we will do after trimming down 1 centimeter for the ground plate and the other one trim down to 0.5 centimeter for the driven element, then we will solder the washer to the coax cable. I have an example aquí with a RG316 cable. So like this, one for the central element of the coax cable here, yeah, and the other we solder the washer to the ground element like this, okay? So basically when you will fix your antenna, we'll put the ground one like this with the ball that the nut that you have cut to 1 centimeter, and with the notch, the board, you fix it, okay? You fix it like this, and the other one goes to the driven element like this. So now what is also important is the distance between the plate element and the driven element should be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, okay, should be 1 centimeter, the height of the driven element to the ground plate element, okay? And then you can use whatever to fix it. I use this stuff. It is EVA. Okay, just cut a small part and put it for, okay, make a square or whatever and fix it. You can use wood or whatsoever, but you cannot use metal. Okay, do not have a contact with the two elements, should be separated. Okay, yeah, and to cover, to give this nice look, I use the vinyl tape. Okay, vinyl tape, the white one, you peel, okay, and I tape it all over the steel, so to give it a just nice look. Okay, and here I put a bolt standard for the tripod. Okay, and I used the epoxy hard glue to make this nice stuff to fix it. So for this one, I will make a test for you, a test with the spectrum analyzer. I will use a Nano VNE here. I don't know if, oh, it's too bright. So I have connected. I don't know if you can see. Very difficult to see, but let's see, go to 1280. Okay, 1280. So here it is, we have the SWR of 1.1 and the impedance is around 5.6, 5.96. It varies. Okay, so it is a pretty acceptable, good antenna. Okay, and I have flown beyond 10 kilometers without problem. Okay, so if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Okay, that's all.